Another day, another Kenwood install. Welcome back to John Kleis Cardio. My name's Max. Today I've got a Ford Fiesta behind me. It's in for a little upgrade to give this customer, who is a newly passed driver, a decent Apple CarPlay radio, which is going to be reliable, going to give good phone calls, make that driving experience a lot easier for the new driver. So when they're driving around, they're not going to be worrying about where to turn left and right. They got how to take their calls and play their music, because a lot of us like to play our music. They're going to have a nice, decent radio, which is going to cater for all of that. Here is the Kenwood installed in the dashboard. If I turn this to the on position, well, hey, the stereo starts kicking into action. And as you can see, we put a little bit of a boot up logo on there. It's a nice touch. And you can do that with the Kenwood DMX8021DABS. One of the more popular head units that we do here at John Kleis. Probably the most popular, as you can probably tell from our YouTube channel. Comes with a 3-year warranty, 7-inch, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. Sits roughly in the middle of the range of all the options of wireless CarPlay head units, which flush into dash. And it works really well, nice user interface. DAB aerial is on the left hand side there, which you can probably just about see. It's a bit of a clear film and a little black box. Now that will pick up the DAB reception and signals. Here's a microphone up here. This microphone will allow the customer to be heard on the telephone nice and clearly. And we also have a USB which is fitted into the car, which is just down here. It goes in there. And this is the USB-C that comes with the Kenwood. And Kenwood also give you a handy USB-C to USB-A adapter if you're still on normal USB-A leads. So that just pops in there and you can stick your lead in there. That's used to connect to the stereo if you want to connect via wired. As you can see, we're wireless currently, and you can do updates or put some music on a USB that way as well. We do keep the steering wheel controls working as part of this upgrade. Things like reverse sensors will carry on working and beeping when you put it into reverse. But this is Apple CarPlay on the Kenwood's screen. You get a nice little bar as well that you can have a little play with down there, which will allow you to set that to a nice colour which matches the rest of the car. Obviously, we've gone for the blue, which matches the blue all around this car, so it just gives it that extra sort of integration and just helps it feel a little bit more at home in this new dashboard. Obviously this fascia installation kit is all custom built for the Ford Fiesta. Top display up there stays working for just a little bit of radio like information like the time, not a lot more than that really. Errors and stuff like that will come up in there, but yeah, we got the Kenwood in here. Real nice Apple CarPlay wireless Android Auto. Customer's now got DAB, all works on a capacitive screen, which is real nice and easy to use. If you haven't seen Apple CarPlay already, it's pretty much like putting your phone on the radio screen. Now this is all safe and legal to use while driving, and you've got loads of navigation options like Google Maps, Waze, TomTom Go. I use Tidal for my music, but you've got other apps like Apple Music, you've got SoundCloud, Deezer, Spotify, you name it. All the main big brands of audio providers will work on this Apple CarPlay system. So that's a very brief look at Apple CarPlay. This will just generally give you a bit of a map and tell you what's going on, and these buttons on the side will tend to change depending on what you're more frequently using. But you do have DAB radio apps if you're struggling for DAB reception in your area. The 4G, 5G will generally pick up sometimes where the DAB dropouts can be. But that's pretty much it for Apple CarPlay. Just to give you a little walk around the rest of the head unit, this is the home screen on the head unit. If I press onto digital radio, this will kick the DAB into action, and then you've got presets down the side here where you can save in all your different presets. Quite easy to find in save stations. You've got a magnifying glass here, you've got your wrist, the radio stations, and let's stop it here. Go for some Capital Dance. To save it, we'll just open up the side, and we hold that down for a second to save it. Let's just mute the stereo so I don't get any copyright strikes. But yeah, that's a very brief look at the DAB and what that looks like on the screen there. That's pretty much probably most of the main things you'd use. Of course, you've got typical menu-y type stuff you can have a little play with inside there. The main uses are going to be digital radio, Apple CarPlay. You can add a reverse camera to it as well, but we didn't in this case. That's pretty much it. This is a Ford Fiesta Mark 7, and it's about a 2015 year, and we've upgraded it to Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all wirelessly working on this new head unit that comes with a 3-year warranty. If you've got a vehicle and you want to get Apple CarPlay or just generally a radio upgrade for it, get in contact with us and we can create a solution for you. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Max from John Kleis. I'm signing off. I'll see you again.